it was the Yuvraj Singh's
Yeah.
comment. Because Yuvraj Singh, even if you take it out of context, what he said would be worse. I think they take it out of context to make it sound better.
अपने फॉरेन फिरंग गर्लफ्रेंड से बात नहीं करता हुआ फोन छीन लो उसका.
फॉरेन फिरंग गर्लफ्रेंड है क्या कोई उसका?
हाँ फिर नहीं था क्या फॉरेन गर्लफ्रेंड है यार.
It's all Shetty's about.
He's very impressed. He's like, I average 65 in cricket. Who gives a shit? अरे foreign girlfriend लाए.
इंटरनेशनल गर्लफ्रेंड है उसका. इंटरनेशनल खिलाड़ी.
But like Pujaras, by the way, if you've gone through his stats recently, right, both in English County and in Ranji, boss, it's like 60 plus is the average, which is better than most of these guys who are currently in contention for the Indian side.
Imagine sending somebody who could make Kohli very angry. And imagine making that guy the coach of the team.
Hi, this is the first episode of our Border Gavaskar Trophy podcast. This is with Sridhar Venkatraman and Siddharth Shetty. We are basically looking forward to how this BGT is going to go. A lot of you have said that, hey, just keep the podcast coming. We don't care how. So I have shot this myself, recorded this myself, maybe even edited myself. If you enjoyed, let me know. We've tried to maintain the sound in a good quality. But thanks a lot for watching. And let us know what you thought about it in the comments and also predictions for BGT. Thanks a lot. See you later. Mohammad Shami is the oldest fast bowler to ever play international cricket, bowling at 145 kilometers per hour. This has been proven. Gautam Gambhir, can he speak to anybody and sound like a human being? Rohit's new baby, is it a big fan already found in Abhimanyu Iswaran, who's like, thank you, appreciate your efforts, baby, good job. I'm joined by two cricket luminaries, Sridhar Venkatraman, who's a luminary, and Siddharth Shetty.
I am luminary only.
He's luminous.
Luminous party.
Full-time comedian, part-time avocado. Yeah, that's a good show name, by the way. So,
It's a pity he's not from Bandra.
yeah.
Come for my solo shows.
Okay, so what I wanted to ask both of you is, what do you think of Rohit Sharma's new baby and all the response
I
around?
think before I begin, I have to tell you I have dressed for the occasion.
Yeah.
I'm being very neutral today.
Yeah.
Very objective.
Yeah.
And
I'm just being.
Rohit Sharma's baby, I think, is good. Good news for the Indian cricket fans, because 20 years down the lane, we will get another opening batsman from Mumbai who Gavaskar can praise.
But I just wanted to ask you guys. I'm getting into कौन सा podcast करती है फिल्म कंपेनियन वाली कौन है?
Anupama Chopra.
Anupama Chopra vibe. I just wanted to ask you, Saurabh and Sridhar, you guys yourselves are fathers, and Rohit Sharma now is a working father, and there's so much being spoken about him. How do you guys, as fathers, reflect upon the opinions that are being, dumped upon Rohit Sharma?
All I can tell you is Rohit Sharma's leadership skills will finally be put to test now. घर पे करना अभी
नहीं पर
अभी बच्चे घूमेंगे गार्डन में.
Dude, everybody's expectation is like, अरे नया opener मिल गया नया. I'm like, no, you probably found a guy who was left arm pace at about 125. May have to play for Goa. Never know. It's a tough one. But also I like this conflict कि Sunil Gavaskar बोल रहा है कि you should just play. Either you play or you don't be captain for 5 tests.
See, I don't blame him, because I think since the day he's seen Rohan Gavaskar, Sunny ji doesn't like babies being born in this.
I have a very funny incident of Rohan Gavaskar. Once he was in the airport, okay, and one guy's like, "अरे आप इधर कैसे?" फ्लाइट पकड़ने के लिए आए हो, किधर जा नहीं सकते क्या? They're startled by looking at मतलब एयरपोर्ट में हो गया, मतलब एसटी स्टैंड में होना चाहिए. अरे आप इधर कैसे? I'm like, and
I also like the idea that Rohan Gavaskar is going on ST stand to go to New Zealand.
This sounds a lot like what people said when he was on the pitch also.
Yeah, but he had like good, whatever 8 ODIs he played.
It's just jokes.
No, I think everything very seriously.
Massive.
उसके साथ में करुण नायर हुआ क्या? अच्छा खेला और उसका करुण नायर कर दिया लोगों ने. बहुत मजा आया बट ऑफ टू गुड स्टार्ट.
नहीं पर सुनील गावस्कर की तो कहानी है ना कि when he was on tour he got a call. उस टाइम पे भी trunk call used to like cost money or whatever it was called at the time. And he got the call and they said आपका बच्चा हुआ है. And then before he could ask the gender they had cut the phone.
Oh.
So it took him 2 weeks to figure out that it's a boy. So like so his POV is way different from Rohit Sharma where it's like हाँ अभी flights है. वो अभी whatever FaceTime whatever it's called is there. So it's a different world, dude.
और ऊपर से मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत ऐसा ओपोजिंग ओपिनियंस था. लाइक अभी कैसा मालूम है आयरन फिंच है ना, ही प्लेड प्रॉपर ऐसा कोमोलिका. He's like, इसने ऐसा बोला ना मैं अब ऐसा बोलूंगी. उसने ऐसा बोला it's fine, ऐसा बोला child. And then his wife Rohit Sharma's wife going and liking that tweet. फुल ऐसे आग लगा रहा था वो. और अपन बोला था अरे क्या आयरन फिंच ऑस्ट्रेलियन क्या बोल दिया यार.
I think this is true, you know, like cricketers also are human beings. I mean, I know they get paid crores of rupees, but they're still human beings. They need their paternity leave of like 3-4 days, which I think
is that a father in you talking, Sridhar?
Yeah, but also it's interesting that it's like we treat cricketers like they're a different job.
Yeah.
Like अपने job पे when I was a comedian, which I also am currently, when my kids were born,
you're a successful comedian, not having to do these podcasts with less successful comedians.
Self-shot podcasts on phones, guys. So I remember I took like a few days off, like I think 3-4 days off it.
Luckily now that's not an issue for you.
तभी किसी कॉमिक ने नहीं बोला ना ऐसा कि सौरभ पंत should list his solo shows. If he lists, he shouldn't come for the solo shows.
but also end में होता है क्या ना कि जब तुम्हारा बच्चा पैदा होता है you also start thinking कि boss now we have to get money for this child also.
But
yeah, I mean Rohit Sharma doesn't have that problem. मेरा
problem is surprising for me because I've never seen Sunny G being angry about somebody converting single into double. It's just he loves.
पर मेरे को लगता है ना कि अपने कंट्री में ना अपन किसी को भी बेचारा विराट कोहली has done so much, he's done enough. मेरे को लगता है ऐसे वो बेचारा लंदन शिफ्ट होगा पूरा मीम बेचारा लंदन जा रहा है अभी नेक्स्ट वर्ल्ड लंदन. I'm like he has a family man, just let him be himself.
But you know how it is, na? Like the pop culture runs around these stories. Like people just want to use a context to make fun of the cricketers, which I've also done.
But I like अगर लंदन में रहना है तो वहाँ रहो ना, यहाँ क्यों क्रिकेट खेलना.
My defense for Kohli is that he takes India's matches against England so seriously that he's gone to England to prepare for England series whenever it happens.
Yeah.
It will be great if he plays England next and again his average is like 9 or something.
The funny thing is England is coming to India.
Yeah.
Finally. For Kohli, it will feel like an away series.
वो इंग्लैंड वाले बोलेंगे हमारे प्लेन में आ जाओ आप भी. क्या है इसमें एक टिकट बुक करो इसका भी.
अरे पर वो ये हुआ ना ये न्यूजीलैंड नहीं कौन था या न्यूजीलैंड वर्सेस बांग्लादेश. So no was it New Zealand or whichever some test series happened right now and अरे South Africa versus Bangladesh. So Litan Das and Keshav Maharaj are good friends. So Keshav Maharaj asked Litan Das, "Hey, how will the pitch play?" And Litan Das told him. Keshav Maharaj destroyed Bangladesh. And then he goes in the press conference like, "Thanks Litan for telling me all this." I'm like, dude, what the fuck? You're fucking over this guy who helped you out.
Yeah.
You can't blame Litan. Like the entire Indian cricket team knew how the pitches to play. And look what happened against New Zealand.
It's a twist till turn. Did you know? अच्छा तो before we move on, let's talk about अभी New Zealand 3-0 loss. Okay,
what happened? New Zealand? Nothing happened.
Yeah, I don't know. There was like some something.
The last time
Sri Lanka.
India.
I am the happiest person.
कुछ हुआ.
श्रीलंका रिसर्जेंस इज मेरे को लगता है सनत जोशीरा साइड स्टैंड में के नाचता है मेरे को लगता है लाइक व्हाट इज सनत जोशीरा टेलिंग टू दैट टीम मैन. वो समझ सुमा पतांका.
Have you seen Gambhir? I'm not like him.
भाड़े पे लेना चाहिए.
If you don't perform,
भाड़े
GG.
सनत जोशीरा को भाड़े पे ले लो. सच्ची बता रहा हूँ. कंसल्टेंट करके ले लो भाई. मैं सच्ची बता रहा हूँ. कुछ तो किया है उसने श्रीलंका के साथ.
श्रीलंका क्रिकेट विल बी वेरी हैप्पी. तो ब्रोकरेज मिलेगा.
Can you imagine if Sanat Jayasuriya has become the coach of Indian team via nobroker.com? BCCI has like commission भी दिया किसी को. Yeah, but like Sanat Jayasuriya is a good coach like for India because Like, I don't know who, by the way, first of all, told Gautam Gambhir that he can do press conferences. Like, he looked angry with every question. Somebody said कि social media पे ये सब चल रहा है, इसकी क्या बना? I don't care what happens on social media. Who watches? I'm like, brother, this is a very normal question to ask anybody.
Tupperware company बंदे, I never use Tupperware man. Like अरे. मैं शील का डब्बा यूज करता हूँ. जिंदा
I think one more series loss.
Yeah.
I think Gautam Gambhir will start opening for the team. मैं दिखाता हूँ.
Yeah. Gautam Gambhir calls off his retirement, and then also he's called 97. And then he'll get angry that.
पुजारा ये सच में है क्या? पुजारा is going as commentator.
हाँ,
अरे
बिल्कुल सही है.
Well, it's like, I don't know if you've seen some of these movies जहाँ पे they sign agents in disguise. It's like that. Pujara was just going in disguise as a commentator. Suddenly किसी को injury होगा तो
पुजारा को ऐसा बना है कि वो डराने के लिए कि ऐसे समय विकेट गिरेगा, पुजारा दे आउ क्या
Imagine the sequence, अपना माइक नीचे रख रहा है, फिर ब्लेजर निकल रहा है, उसके नीचे उसके
स्पाइडरमैन.
that will be a great transition.
What a great transition, yeah.
He'll be like commenting, this pitch is not so hard. I don't know why Indian batsmen are struggling. Let me show how it's done. And then starts walking.
And then on the side, Mukesh Khanna is like, he's not an ideal choice for this superhero role.
वो तो अल्टीमेट है.
वो अलग ट्रिप पे है भाई.
Pujara is the Sakti man.
वो आयरन मैन क्या बोलता है? आयरन मैन जो है टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज करता है और सुपरमैन जो है सब कुछ करता है. हम लाइक मुकेश खन्ना प्लीज. बाय द वे वी आर बिग शक्तिमान फैंस. बता
Are we? मैं देखा ठीक है, लाइक जब वो रिलीज हुआ था, I never saw it really that much. But then it started coming on wherever YouTube में.
मुकेश खन्ना will see this and ये तीनों का ये जो तीन कॉमेडियन हैं ये मेरे बारे में बातें कर रहे हैं. मेरी शैली देखो आप, मेरी फैली देखो.
ये लोग 3 घंटे के लिए मेरे लिए ऑफिस में रुके हुए थे. ये उनकी चॉइस थी. He's like, I like when you're showing off about meetings that you had with Ranveer Singh. Like, it's a great. Anyway, yeah. Last comment about Mukesh.
Yeah, I remember watching Shaktiman as a kid.
Yeah.
I think I learned a great bit of centrifugal force from the rotations he was doing. My only thought in my head was, if Shaktiman holds a bottle of curd, it'll become buttermilk.
Very scientific joke. Scientific biological jokes.
Let's move to cricket discussions.
Cut to
Clearly not
food
working.
vlogger outside Mukesh Khanna's Chas. Shaktiman Chas. पर अभी इसके बारे में बात करते हैं, okay? Where just last comment on Gautam Gambhir. Gautam Gambhir basically he said Ricky Ponting should stop commenting on Indian players and focus on Australian players. And I like how even in here we are like, boss, focus on your own country, brother. His job is to comment on this. Like, when does he have to stop about talking? Like, so what do you think that should only countries of should we only talk about the country which we are from about players?
Yeah, I think Ricky Ponting should talk about the players from the state of Punjab only.
Yeah, his home state.
Yeah, home state. And given how many Punjabis are in Australia, so he might be okay talking about them as well.
Yeah.
अभी इसमें मेरे जो ओपिनियंस है वो दो राय है. इसमें ऐसा है कि कि जो ऑस्ट्रेलियन प्लेयर्स है तो इनको तो पैसा तो कमाते नहीं है ये लोग अपने खुद के खेल खेलने के बाद. इनको आना तो यही पड़ता है. तो सुन लेना चाहिए गंभीर का. पता नहीं आपका कॉन्ट्रैक्ट रिन्यू हो या ना हो. वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में क्रिकेट मैं कौन था उनका बैट्समैन
मार्श मिचेल मार्श.
हाँ शॉन मार्श बोलते हैं हम लोग वर्ल्ड कप जीता, हम लोग मेरे कंट्री में गया तो मेरी वाइफ ऑफिस गई थी.
वो मिचेल मार्श.
हाँ तो मेरी वाइफ ऑफिस गई थी तो मैं बियर पीने गया तो 2 लोग ने बोला अरे आ गया तू वापस. मैंने बोला क्या है तुम्हारा कंट्री वर्ल्ड कप जीत गया, तुम्हारी इज्जत कौन सा ऑस्ट्रेलिया कौन सा तो मेजर स्पोर्ट्स में आगे है. क्रिकेट में वर्ल्ड कप जीत, इधर देखो माँ के T20 वर्ल्ड कप जीता, क्या सत्कार किया हम लोगों ने, ट्रैफिक जैम किया, बाम भूसड़ा कर दिया, तो चीज का वाट लगा दिया. उधर क्या बियर पी रहे हैं 1+1 वाला ऑफर पे. शर्म आना चाहिए. तो पॉइंटिंग मेरे को लगता है कि ठीक है तुम्हारा घर चलता है हमारे कंट्री से, मतलब सैड टू से बट ठीक है.
हाँ सही है.
बहुत
But I think if they don't say anything about Indian players, how will Gambhir get that aggression?
Yeah.
Aggression is because of these guys talking about the.
वो ये जानबूझ के बोलते हैं. मेरे को लगता है ऑस्ट्रेलियन मीडिया ना बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है सब चीज में. कि ऐसा विराट कोहली के बारे में बात करेगा, रोहित शर्मा को तो नीचे दिखाएगा. We don't think Rohit can do it this time.
Yeah, you know when Pant was doing stump mic, he's like, come on, yeah.
I think it starts with English and then becomes
yeah.
emotions.
Some garble, yeah.
बट गंभीर अभी उसने ऐसा बोला ना
हाँ.
तो उसने ऐसा ये करना चाहिए था ना कि गंभीर ने भी ऐसा बोलना चाहिए था कि या वी आर कॉन्फिडेंट दैट विल गेट थ्रू. ये ऐसा हो गया ना कि देखिए झगड़े में तेरे से बात किया कम है, मैं तेरे से बात किया गया, मैं तेरे से बात किया, ऐसे ही हो गया ना. ये वैसा रिप्लाई हो गया, तू तेरा देखना, मैं मेरा देखता है. ये मतलब स्ट्रीट फाइट, टिपिकल स्ट्रीट फाइट वाला ये था.
हाँ करेक्ट. और वो गंभीर पर ऐसा गुस्सा मेरे को कोहली से चाहिए अभी. We'll come to Kohli shortly, but okay, let's
I
talk
think
about
Kohli used to be a lot angrier earlier because he was
Yeah.
a Delhi boy.
Yeah.
That's London. London is
It's-
not very anger inducing.
Cup of tea.
Yeah, cup of tea. Yeah. You want him to get angry? No, now he's like, see, it's a difference between a guy.
He get angry if you say London is shit, man.
It's like Trafalgar Square. Fuck that. Then he's like, he cares more about that than Connaught Place now.
It's shite, man. It's shite. It's
Shite, mate, shite. This also we are Australian. You pretending to be an English guy being an Australian is better than you pretending to be an Australian.
Wait till he does his South Mumbai accent. It's very
Fish and chips and bush and chole bachore. He'll get confused. कि मुझे किसको क्या बोलने का अभी.
I forgot what I was going to say. Okay, let's move on. So, अच्छा, now this big controversy is, first of all, we are all hoping that Mohammad Shami makes it to the BGT. And turns out he's injured, and he put a very emo post where like, bhai, it's too much. I love you, but now you're making me feel sad.
उसको तो वो बोलते हैं ना मुश्ताक ट्रॉफी खेल अभी करके.
नहीं अभी खेलना ना रणजी ट्रॉफी.
नहीं उसको कंटिन्यू करने बोला. उसको बोला कि
अच्छा बताओ.
उन लोगों ने बोला कि टू सून है
हाँ.
और डोमेस्टिक पता नहीं मेरे को ये क्या कॉल है. बोला कि टू सून है, एक काम कर और बाल उगा के आ तू पूरे से. तो पूरा इधर तक ऐसा बाल उगा के, लेकिन डर जाए वो लोग. मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि क्यों. मतलब अभी अपना बॉलिंग अटैक स्ट्रांग ही होने वाला है, वो फिट है बोल रहा है. ये लोग क्या मतलब ये लोग उसको रुकाने का बोलते हैं और खेल क्या. मेरे को पता नहीं, मेरे को बहुत अनहिंज सा लग रहा है इस बार का जो स्ट्रैटेजी है.
Yeah, maybe I think Gambhir doesn't believe in rebounds. It's like take time to move on from the injury. Once you get over the injuries, then you come.
What is this reference?
I'm just saying, they don't want Shami to rush into
Yeah, they
the
don't.
next relationship with the Indian team again.
Yeah. They want
some
to
time.
take some time. Yeah. And but you're right. Like his hair also grew out. It's like he looks very different. He looks like KL Rahul from behind.
Yeah, that's right.
It's like his gorgeous hair. Achanak.
Yeah.
एकदम.
I think he probably bats like him only.
He gets.
मेरे को तो मुझे तो टेंशन सरफराज खान के लिए हो रहा है.
अच्छा.
उसको ऊपर से बॉल जाएगा, समझ ही नहीं आएगा. ऊपर सरफराज खान का मेरे को एक तो गेम समझ, मेरे को लगता है सरफराज खान को इंजर कर दो तुम लोग कि उसको
बनाएगा रे अभी वो अभी करेगा रैंप वगैरह and then Australia will do the tactic of putting fielders behind and then he figure out other this thing. So it's actually that's the one contest Rishabh Pant और इसका.
I think Sarfaraz might be good in Australian pitches.
हाँ.
Because I don't know, I've seen some limited batting of Sarfaraz, and the way the Australian pitchers behave, I don't think the ball will come anywhere close to him. like वो हमेशा bat बहुत पास रखता है ना, just it will fly.
Oh, अच्छा, you are not making a height based. You are on the. We are thinking.
I tried to do a flip.
I think Sarfaraz will do well. Somehow I feel कि अच्छा रहेगा. Because वो
See, I think actually coming back to Shubman Gill, na,
yeah.
I think the real motivation for Shubman will come if his manager picks up the phone and then says, "Listen, buddy, only when you score runs can you post a thirst trap." That could be the motivation that he needs.
So let's talk about this for a second, okay? If you are a woman, let's just say, attractive woman living in Australia, right? And Shubman Gill has scored 3 ducks, right? And then he puts up a thirst trap. Would you be like, हाँ कर ही रहे थे? Right? If he offers, I'm saying.
Yeah.
Would you still be attracted to Shubman?
You're
I
shite,
think
mate.
the body.
You're shite anymore, mate. As a good thirst trap. Yeah.
They look at his body like, do you know how many abs he has? More than the runs he scored.
Yeah. Which is like more than 0. Okay, let's talk about this. Fast bowlers, abhi first 2 test matches, big conversation is who will be there. Bumrah, obviously confirmed. Akashdeep, Siraj. And now 2 all-rounders. Is that the plan? You think, according to you, who do you want to see?
I think it's Bumrah and Prayers. Looks like the
Prayers
strategy.
Krishnan.
Man, because I don't know, like, the thing is, Akashdeep, It's a very strange character, right? Like you see a couple of matches where it's like suddenly the ball is swinging and and there are matches where nothing's happening. Like there are matches where he bowls really well, and there are matches where he reminds us that he played for RCB. That's his bowling style. And then the others, Harshit Rana and Prasidh Krishna. So I don't know. Like I don't know if you guys feel the same. Prasidh Krishna, whenever he's on the field, he looks very sad. Like he doesn't have that fast bowler's glow. Like he looks like he's about to meet Gautam Gambhir for a one-on-one after every single.
He should do a facial, glow up facial before the match. Do a pedicure, manicure, and come my bros. But I agree because with this guy also, प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा का नाम लिया और किसका नाम?
हर्षित राणा.
ये लोग को पहली बात तो कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं, ये लोग ज्यादा डोमेस्टिक भी नहीं खेला है, इनको एकदम से ले लिया. मेरे को लगता है उससे अच्छा था आवेश खान था. आवेश खान ऐसा इंसान मेरे को लगता है ना कि वो रहे ना रहे, वो ही इज लाइक नॉर्मल तंदूरी रोटी. इट इज there. He plays well, no one will talk about it. He plays bad, no one will talk about it. Avesh Khan is the most taken for granted player in Indian history. उसको वो है, उसको फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. Avesh Khan should have been there. वो खराब खेलता कोई कुछ नहीं बोलेगा, अच्छा खेलेगा कोई कुछ नहीं बोलेगा.
The best thing about Avesh Khan is that if you look at him now, I don't think even he has expectations from himself.
Yeah.
Like he plays like nobody cares, nobody's watching except for his mom, dad at home.
In fact, that's one of the stories. Avesh Khan, जब वो helmet तोड़ा, he was actually cooking tandoori rotis inside instead of bring them out. He's like निकाल के ये लोग खाते हैं. It's the best description I've heard of Avesh Khan. And he's like normal tandoori.
Avesh Khan throwing that helmet was his best delivery of his career.
Because his focus, I think when Avesh Khan goes for overseas series, ना इसका family member ऐसा नहीं बोलता अच्छा खेलो. They're like अरे उनके लिए जो मामा के बेटे उनके लिए PS5 लेके आना, याद से चॉकलेट्स लेके आना. They're like it's like government job. It's like a tip only. But हर्षित राणा और ये लोग का जो बाकी bowlers का भी है. A lot of this squad, they don't have enough experience. अरे we have retained this Padikkal, देवदत्त पडिक्कल को क्या लक है कि अपना we have run out of options. वो 22, 33, 88 इतना ये फिगर्स है उसका. ये बेस्ट है इंडिया का फिगर. इसको रुकाओ भाई. वो क्यों रुकाओ? इसको थोड़ा बहुत कंडीशंस इसको मारने को आता है. ये कच्चा नींबू है क्या वो?
I mean, if you actually think about it, 30 is better than 0.
Yeah.
Which is what you'll see with a lot of these cricketers. Actually, on that note, I love an Indian Test series in Australia. You know why? Because I think you get to savor the Test cricket without going through the torture. Because when you wake up in the morning, you know that India has lost. You don't have to sit through those 10 wickets falling, which is, I think, how all Test matches should be played.
You think that's what's going to happen on first day of 22nd November? You wake up at like 9 o'clock and we are already all out. You think that'll happen actually or?
I'm just kidding, of course. I think it'll be about 7-8 wickets.
Like वो जडेजा partnership will be happening.
फिर भी लोगों में है, वो आग है लोगों में अभी भी. Like तू देखना अभी बॉर्डर ट्रॉफी में ना, we will be like.
You know why? Because the last time we won was exactly like this. No, it's like a stupid team. Like there was not. And suddenly, out of nowhere, Washington Sundar, Rishabh Pant, Shubman Gill.
By the way,
crazy
who
comeback.
pointed this out? Harsha Bhogle pointed this out. He's like, we are concerned about India's form. Australia's form is no better. Australia almost, abhi Pakistan test matches were on the verge of losing, but Pakistan didn't know how to close it because it was not a loan.
Sarab.
And
Whoa, cheeky commander, Slugger. Sorry guys.
Even New Zealand's form wasn't great before they came to India.
that we just took them for, we were like, "Arey, ye kya nahi ho raha?"
And that's the beauty of India's cricket team, right? It makes anybody feel like they can do well in their life.
Yeah.
Nobody should doubt themselves.
We are givers. Like every team will like confidence is there. Like we are the big brother. तेरे लिए भी है.
You want runs? Come take.
Yeah.
You want wickets? We will give you.
And people say we don't do anything for international cricket.
Yeah.
It's all about Atiti Devo Bhava.
Yeah, we help New Zealand win. We like do all these nice things. Nobody gives us credit. Okay, let's talk about this. I mean, this is a big controversy which is happening about Kohli's form, Rohit Sharma's form, right? Now, based on a lot of research, I've found out, boss, Labuschagne and Smith are roughly the same. they all four of them are on the same pattern where all of them are plateauing right now. So all out of those four, who do you think is going to suddenly do well, and do you think they're the same? Both these couples.
See, you need to understand this. No matter what your on-field record is, the moment you step out of a Lamborghini or a Audi RS5,
RS stands for Rohit Sharma. Yeah.
there are expectations.
Yeah.
Okay? Like nobody has seen what car Steven Smith drives.
और लबू शांगे स्विफ्ट डिजायर.
No, Labushan, I think he looks like the guy who puts a tent at the ground and sleeps in the night.
हाँ मेरे को लग रहा है लबू शांगे का ऐसा रहेगा कि उसको EMI क्यों थी मैं आगे जिस भी
I think cricket Australia धमकी देता रहेगा कि if you don't play well, no EMI, this one.
स्मिथ का बेटा अच्छे कॉलेज में जहाँ पर उसको भी बोले क्या तुम बॉल टैंपरिंग या कुछ नहीं मिला वो देखो इतना इसमें ये तो स्मिथ को बोलता रहेगा तुम्हें काम कर इंडिया जाकर कमेंट्री करके आओ ना प्लीज.
थोड़ा पैसा चाहिए.
थोड़ा पैसे चाहिए हम लोग को. बट मेरे को लग रहा है कि स्मिथ का तो कैसे है कि अपना है ना बुमराह है ना टक्का मिडल स्टॉप. स्मिथ का हमेशा बुमराह के आउट होने का था. लबू शांगे का मेरे को लग रहा है पिक करेगा. लबू शांगे पिक करेगा.
अच्छा ऐसा है क्या? उल्टा बोल रहे हैं मतलब ज्यादातर लोग प्रेडिक्ट करेंगे कि स्मिथ मोड़ेगा.
You know, it's always that thing, no matter which player in whatever form he is, the moment Indian team is there, all of that doesn't matter.
Yeah.
They might be going through the roughest patch before this, but suddenly Steven Smith will score that double century.
Yeah.
Labuschagne will score a century, and then you'll like, oh, where was this form before?
Yeah, but also like my other thing is कि अश्विन को नहीं खिलाएंगे. पता नहीं they have some allergy to Ashwin playing abroad. In the they'll play him in the worst place. They're like, well, here's the worst place for you to play. Now play, and then he'll not do well. And they're like, अरे तेरे को आता नहीं है. I'm like, boss. So it's the assumption right now is कि he's not going to play the first 3 test matches because first is going to be probably Nitish Kumar Reddy and अपना Jadeja. And
I think he's probably already planned his
वो नीतीश कुमार रेड्डी को भी कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है फर्स्ट क्लास क्रिकेट का. I'm like ये क्या टीम सिलेक्शन. आप कोच आप देखो ना जरा कि क्या वो लोग किधर खेले ले कितना एक्सपीरियंस है वो लोग को. इधर तो अपन आईपीएल में नहीं लेते लोगों को जिनको वो शम्स मुलानी कितने साल बाद उसको इतना साल रणजी खेलने के बाद वो मुंबई के लिए ये कर रहा है. इसको ले लिया टीम में इतना मतलब अच्छा गंभीर का सोच आगे का सोच रहेगा.
They must have discussed ना. गंभीर को पूछा रहेगा कि what do you think about Nitish's cricket? He would have said first class. Straight into the team.
और पूछा रहेगा मतलब आई फील कि अगर आप किसी कोच को ऐसा अपॉइंट कर रहे हो ना देखना चाहिए कि उसका कोचिंग एक्सपीरियंस भी होना चाहिए. मतलब ऐसे मैं ऐसा बोल नहीं रहा है.
KKR IPL ट्रॉफी जीता है.
अच्छा
Chandrakant Pandit. I'm you know this is one thing which I'm like irrespective of the result I'm still very surprised by this the way this has happened. Where I'm like brother he's not even the coach. They're like now you're head coach of India and he's a mentor. So he's a mentor of Indian team.
Like Dravid had era of experience. So Dravid starting में बहुत permutation combination किया था Bollywood. But it was a very calculated risk that he took. ये तो मेरे को लग रहा है कि हाँ ऐसा बैठा रहेगा बोलते हैं हाँ ठीक है क्या है ये छोले भटूरे आए नहीं ले लो किसको तो अभी ऐसे मतलब सीरियसली बहुत खराब टीम. अच्छा ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ वाले लोग बोले थे क्यों नहीं लिया उसको. तो फिर जाके उधर
नहीं पर अभी तो बोल रहे कि लेंगे उसको because Gill injured है तो they might have a replacement ऐसा कुछ बोल रहे हैं.
मेरे को तो लगता है इसके वजह से तो अंडर कवर गया पूछा रहा.
Ishwaran will play, right?
He played really well.
Apparently it's going to be KL and Jaiswal.
Yeah, it's a great
and then one
comeback
down
of
is they're thinking about sorry.
It's just a great comeback of KL.
Yeah.
That we've all been.
You saw that brain freeze moment he had.
नहीं.
उसका पैर के बीच में से बॉल गया. people are like दिमाग फ्रीजर में रख के बैटिंग करने आते हैं.
हाँ वो वाला.
एक बार एक गलती हो गया उससे यार. एक बार मतलब एक तुम उसका पूरा करियर का मतलब तुम भूल गए कि कितना उसने अच्छा खेला है.
5 साल पहले.
नहीं I agree. It was a very weird decision. मतलब वो जैसे वो हर बार whenever they like worst leaves in the history of cricket and I'm like अभी आएगा Glenn Maxwell and I'm like how many times will I see
Yeah,
this?
but that's the thing. No, if your luck is bad,
Yeah, this is good done. Yeah.
you can get out to Akashdeep. I'm just saying. Just
No, but I think Akashdeep is going to do well somehow. I don't know why. Okay, let's come to this. Okay, so I've been having greater than gin. I don't know if you know this about me. So I thought it's a good time to do.
Very smooth.
Like a smooth.
Very smooth. I was like, सौरभ भाई अभी कुछ जोक बोलेंगे.
you mean BGT is
BGT with GT, yeah.
by greater than.
Yeah.
That's the full.
That's how you do it.
That's-
Might.
I thought BGT means batsman गए तेल लेने.
L is
L is silent. The extension. BGTL.
so the big thing that they were doing was they were trying to figure out Hotstar were doing this, trying to figure out the greatest Indian performance in Border Gavaskar Trophy in Australia since 2000, which is a lot of like there's a lot of specific things.
But
And-
you know what is greater than
Yeah.
that?
Yeah.
The greater than.
Yeah.
Greater than.
So the finalists are, by the way, Rishabh Pant for 89 not out and Rahul Dravid. Okay, let me read the score. 233 and 72 not out. Okay, these are the finalists. So who do you think is the greater than? Is Rishabh Pant's 89 not out greater than 233 and 72 not out, which is the first time India won since 1981 in Australia after whatever 22 years. So who do you think? Who do you think is a better round?
But you can never imagine Rahul Dravid being as good as Rishabh Pant behind the stumps.
Yeah.
But Gabba Gamand.
Correct, yeah.
The Fortune's Gabba.
And Rahul Dravid will not babysit your kids. He'll train them for under 19.
You know, it's like an art movie by Vikrant Masse versus Salman Khan's Ek Tha Tiger. Ek Tha Tiger.
बट वो मैच अभी भी मेरे को याद आता है ना. आई वाज लाइक अरे क्या मैच था वो, मतलब किसी ने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था. एंड वो जो इनिंग्स खेला था ना, लाइक दैट बॉट आई लाइक स्पेशली आफ्टर व्हाट इंजरी के बाद आई हैवंट सीन एनी. मेरे को हार्डली लगता है कि क्रिकेट के हिस्ट्री में कोई ऐसा प्लेयर है जिसका रिब्स ऐसा टूटा है और वापस आया है वो.
No, but this BGT was before that.
हाँ, उसके बाद मैं पूरा ऐसे
पंत के योर पंथ लव यूर टॉकिंग
हाँ, मैं पंत लव मेरा बहुत जबरदस्त है. अभी मैं बोलते मुंबई इंडियंस को ले लेना चाहिए यार. क्या है यार. तो
सीएसके जाएगा ना.
हाँ, तो आई वाज लाइक द पंत लव दैट आई हैव इज दैट भाई अकेला खेलता है वो. और वो उसमें मतलब मैं वही है कि कभी कभी आउट हो जाता है, बट वो थोड़ा ये रहेगा ना कि थोड़ा स्लैग थोड़ा वैसे वाला आ जाएगी कि अगर वो थोड़ा बॉल खा रहा है, थोड़ा थका के खेल रहा है, भाई उससे बेटर मेरे को नहीं लगता कि बेटर.
नहीं, अगर अपन लोग जीतेंगे इट्स गोना बी बिकॉज ऑफ पंत एंड बुमराह. दैट इज लाइक डिसाइडेड. इट्स लिटरली पंत एंड बुमराह बिकॉज
I think, yeah.
एवरीबॉडी एल्स यू आर लाइक बॉस क्या करेंगे किसी को आइडिया नहीं है.
The beauty of Pant is he can change the match
या
in like whatever short sessions of his batting, because at the pace that he plays, I think suddenly the opposition gets like shaken.
अभी मेरे को इसका कैसा पता नहीं, मतलब पैरेलल तो ड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते. वो दो बहुत अलग अलग लोग हैं भाई इसका. बट ये भी था ना कि एंड्रू सैमंड्स भी कभी कुछ भी कर सकता था. वैसे वाला है अपन कि कभी कुछ भी कर देगा भाई.
एंड्रू सैमंड से बहुत बेहतर है रे. ये तो आई वुड से गिलक्रिस्ट का तू कंपैरिजन दे तो अच्छा रहेगा.
हाँ. मतलब पहली बात तो बेचारे को बंदर भी बुलाया, अभी उसको कंपैरिजन के लिए भी यूज नहीं कर सकते. माकी बोला.
But dude, imagine them thinking this up later. Where they're like, क्या बोला तू? He's like, यार नहीं इसका what is the Indian explainer that sound well thought out dude eventually.
You know, back in the day, this whole monkey game became such a big thing. And
Yeah.
it took months to come to a conclusion. But now I think that won't happen.
अभी
In
तो
this era, एक reel आएगा शाम को ऋषभ पंत के पास. Guys, let me clarify what I said. It was actually Maki Dal that I wanted to feed him.
So I think all three of us are the same, which is that emotionally for us, Pant's innings is more because अभी एक तो recency bias भी है, and I think
The flair,
pandemic, the flair, yeah. But
I'd rather have that anda pav on the roadside than like a full meal, which is good, great.
Yeah.
But anda pav on the roadside is something else.
yeah, I think emotionally I want to say Pant, but I think like impact wise 100% Dravid. But I'll be honest, जब मैं पढ़ रहा था, I'm like I don't even remember this. But then I went through it and I saw the highlights. I'm like, boss, what he did was Dravid. This was amazing.
And you know, Indian fans are not emotional at all. Like they're very objective.
Yeah.
Analyzing these things.
Very objective. Yeah.
Science backed.
Science back. Yeah.
Opinions.
With statistics and everything. Okay, last two questions and then we'll get out of here. Do you think cricketers' dads should just not talk to the press? Do you think Indian cricketers, I mean, like Sanju Samson came out and his dad said that 4 people have ruined his career.
No, actually, it was taken out of context.
Oh, is it? Yeah.
He didn't say that.
What did he say?
He said these 4 people are idiots. No, he didn't say that. he said something to the effect of that because these guys were playing, Sanju also should have played like them. Some
Oh.
thing had effect.
Oh.
It was not that because of these guys he didn't play or anything, but Indian.
सबका नाम ले लिया उसमें, को बचे नहीं. अगर के ची सपोर्ट स्टाफ का भी नाम लेना चाहिए था. ये जी वो जी ये लगा कि क्या भाई हम लोग ने क्या किया.
Andrew Lippus.
उसे गाने में जमाल गोटा मिला. अरे रे 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 रे.
Seat 43G में जो बैठा था during the match at Wankhede.
नहीं बट मैं तो अभी भी आई स्टिक टू द ओपिनियन कि मैं कैसा लगता बोलो 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 ऐसा कैसा बोल दिया. और ऐसा लगता है भाई कि या तो आप जीरो करते हो या तो 5 रन बना तो सीधा सेंचुरी. इतना इनकंसिस्टेंसी कैसे हो सकता है. आप पे आदमी भरोसा नहीं कर सकता है.
हाँ.
आप मतलब ये मतलब टोटल फक बॉय बिहेवियर हो गया. मुझे भरोसा करे तो कैसे करूँ प्रकाश.
But I read that statement and then it was Sanju's dad. So,
Yeah.
So like there must be something more to this. Right?
Correct.
वो पहले
But I would
भी
never
बोला है.
react this way if it was Yuvraj Singh's
Yeah.
comment. Because Yuvraj Singh, even if you take it out of context, what he said would be worse. I think they take it out of context to make it sound better.
नहीं एक रील है ठीक है. मेरे को बहुत फनी लगता है. उसे युवराज सिंह ने नहीं बोला है. उसको बोलता है कि आपका अर्जुन तेंदुलकर के बारे में बोलता है कि आपने कोयले के खान में हीरे को देखा है. बोलता है कि नहीं वो अभी भी पत्थर ही है. Why will he say something like that?
ये AI है क्या?
AI है dude.
क्या बात कर रहा है? I didn't know. I didn't know.
The beauty of Yuvraj Singh is you don't know.
I thought it was real, dude.
युवराज सिंह का प्रॉपरली किसका तारीफ करेगा ना, मेरे को लगे वो AI है. वो इतना खराब बात बोलता है धोनी ने तो ऐसे कर दिया.
No, but this is I didn't know. First I generally thought you were a real commenter, and then I didn't know that this Sanju Samson thing is taken out of context. Yeah.
But how many of you all think, I don't know, that ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ को इसलिए इंडियन टीम में नहीं रहते बिकॉज चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी फाइनल था, उसको कॉल आया था, बोला मैंने नहीं, मेरे को शादी करने का हॉल का बुकिंग हो गया है, रिफंड नहीं दे रहे वो लोग. तो उन्होंने तो उसको फिर इंडियन सिलेक्टर से बोला तू शादी कर लौड़े, तू शादी कर, तू शादी करेगा अभी. जब ऋतुराज बोलता है ना कि मेरे टीम में खिला रहा है, और ऋतुराज खाने में बुफे में क्या था तभी
Dude, I'm just imagining कि Jay Shah is standing with a wedding invite and burning it with the selection. Like, साथ में दोनों का आग लगा रहा है. He's like, no, but it's actually like sometimes like timing is so important for any cricket selection, right? It could be कि मतलब शादी हो रही है then you can't cancel the शादी.
Timing is important.
ठीक है, मतलब आपकी
selection
वाइफ भी क्रिकेटर है तो
and also
Yeah.
batting.
Man batting, yeah. Like Ritika is Rohit Sharma's wife.
Yeah.
Great timing she has.
Yes.
Right, she's like perfect. Like she's like you can still play 4 tests. Well done. Good job to her. Why do people not give her credit for what she's achieved? Okay. Last thing. Abhi first test is
Yeah,
coming.
actually, this reminds me. If you remember last series of India and Australia, Virat Kohli was there for the first test. Then he left.
Yeah.
Then the rest of the series was captained by Rahane.
Yeah.
Right? This one is full ulta. So Rohit Sharma is very smart that way.
Yeah.
Like first test, nahi. After that I'll come.
Yeah.
Because first test तो होने वाला है.
कौन कितना पानी में वो देख लेगा. फिर आएगा बोलेगा ए लौड़े फील्डिंग का ना ए आंडू ए इंचोल ए घास के पट्टी में कोई वो देगा कभी गाली देने का. क्या चालू है ऐसा कौन बात करता है यार प्लेयर से अपने गॉड मार तो रोहित भाई जरा चिल करो, 2 बच्चे के बाप हो आप.
But also like अभी जब Pakistan beat England, right? तो एक तो साजिद खान है and दूसरा नॉमन अली were there, and also there were other few players, and I realized that in international cricket ये सब लोग एक दूसरे के साथ इतना खेले हैं that they're used to everybody's vibe. They know how to deal with XYZ. When somebody new comes, they're actually thrown off. Because they're like, dude, we've never encountered this person before. So actually, one of the reasons why we won also in that Gabba Ghamand and all that was because you're like, bhai, T. Natarajan ko kaise khele? I mean, a guy who's not played red ball cricket since that test which is a crazy stat, right? But yeah, I'm pro injuries for Indian team.
मेरे को लग रहा है कुछ भी हो सकता है, और कोहली का थोड़ा ऐसा गुस्सा दिलाना चाहिए उसको.
100% boss, 100%. कुछ out of
उसको टपली
context.
अपली मार के उसको कोई देख बोला टपली मार के भाग कोहली को ऐसा सब सब
I think they should just show the Australian flag and say England का है.
Yeah.
नहीं और या तो फिर कोहली is trying to make a joke in the field. No one's listening to them. Like अरे चुप ना यार. No one's
I
talking to
think
you.
Kohli looks very content with life.
Yeah, that's a problem.
Yeah.
I'm
खुश लग रहा
sure.
है.
Okay, Kohli goes through his Instagram account and Twitter account, and then sees the kind of fans he has.
Yeah.
Not just him, sorry. The entire Indian cricket team has, and they're like, I should play for these guys.
Yeah, fuck it, dude. Yeah, we all want Kohli to get angry. Somebody needs to make Kohli angry somehow. Somebody needs to make Kohli
हाँ
angry.
सब बैटिंग करता है जाना ही
Also,
खेलना.
हाँ,
Yeah,
like
imagine
रोहित शर्मा, dude, रोहित शर्मा कभी बोलेगा कोहली को ये लौड़े इधर जा, कभी नहीं बोलेगा. But that's the motivation we need. We need रोहित शर्मा to tell Kohli
हाँ.
कि हट रे, हलकट चल.
हाँ.
Imagine somebody.
ये क्या फालतूगिरी कर रहा है हट ना.
हाँ.
Imagine sending somebody who could make Kohli very angry. Right? And imagine making that guy the coach of the team. Now they become friends.
Shit, dude.
हाँ यार मैं तो बहुत डिसअपॉइंटेड था.
Opportunity lost.
मैं तो बहुत डिसअपॉइंटेड था. बोले कि दोस्त क्यों बने यार कुछ तो होता कि झगड़ा झगड़ी चल रही है and all of that.
अभी दिखाता हूँ मैं. I'll just show you how.
Correct.
हमें जयशा का कॉल आएगा बोलते गंभीर भाई आपका काम पूरा करने का समय आ गया है.
मकसद भूलना नहीं है.
पर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है ऐसा होता है क्या कि ऐसा लास्ट मोमेंट कोई प्लेयर और एक इंजर हो जाएगा फिर पुजारा को बोलेगा तू खेल ले भाई अभी.
Chance ही नहीं है.
No, but I think the team needs somebody like Pujara.
100%.
Absolutely.
I mean,
Why are you not talking about it?
It's crazy how much the team will miss Pujara.
Yeah.
Because man, the guy was like a rock. And
And I don't understand this thing about.
and the current team looks like pebbles.
I don't understand this thing of saying we are looking forward. We are looking ahead. I'm like, brother, this is the biggest test series of 2 years, right? That India is playing. Look forward means this is a bloody series you have to win. Where are you looking forward to? Like they started about Shardul Thakur, which I'm like, okay, maybe fair enough. But like Pujara, by the way, if you've gone through his stats recently, right, both in English County and in Ranji, boss, it's like 60 plus is the average, which is better than most of these guys who are currently in contention for the Indian side. So it's not like you're backing somebody who you're like, अरे ये तो rumor के ऊपर है, boss. These are actual back stats for Pujara. So 100% on board.
नहीं जो अभी इंडिया न्यूजीलैंड में हुआ
Yeah.
दैट किसी को खड़े ही नहीं रहना है पिच पे भाई. मतलब सब लोग T20 वाले जोन में ही है. सब लोग को मार के निकलना है. एम आप मार रहे हो 60 रन 70 रन ठीक है ना आराम से खाओ 200 बॉल ना.
हाँ.
रहाणे
Yeah,
पुजारा
I agree.
हाँ
Pujara used to look like he's paid rent for the pitch.
Yeah.
He's trying to maximize his stay. कि मुझे रहना है. Paid for this seat today.
सच अ बिग थिंग. वो जो डॉक्यूमेंट्री आया था द टेस्ट देखा आप लोगों ने.
हाँ.
उसमें क्या बोलो तो पुजारा बोलते दिस गाय जस्ट बैट लोग डरते थे. बोले मुझे बांडू आ गया बेंच तेरा 2000 बॉल में 13 रन मारेगा.
अरे बहुत पकाता है वो तो शोएब अख्तर ने बोला ना द्राविड के बारे में. Where he's like, he just used to get like, how do you get somebody out who doesn't want to hit a shot only? It's like so irritating. And then you imagine the effort it takes to bowl like Shoaib Akhtar. You're running from literally Karachi to the stadium and then bowling that ball, and then guy like, a bowl. Like, but obviously you're going to get irritated. So 100%. But I think here is my thought. The one person in the team who's capable but has not done it yet of playing those kind of knocks is KL Rahul.
हाँ
It's possible. Like I know people shit on KL Rahul a lot. I think T20, हाँ ठीक है. I out of the T20 side, Tests and to an extent ODIs, I think KL Rahul is a very good choice. Like I think he can do the job.
Yeah, he's very good. In fact, we saw the World Cup final.
It's too good.
Really too good.
It's perfect for Billy Pujara.
See, I like the guy. Okay?
Yeah.
Like, I think when he's in form, he's quite beautiful to watch. The only thing is,
When is he?
I'm just
For me, the Shetty in
I'm
me
just
likes
hoping
him.
if Kohli is not angry, KL gets angry.
Yeah.
हाँ तुम साला fan लोग में दिखाता है.
Yeah.
That anger is not coming. He also, by the way, is about to be a father.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, very soon.
अरे अपन जयसवाल के बारे में बात ही नहीं किया. क्या है यार?
तो बोलना जैसे अरे जायसवाल को तो मतलब अभी ये लोग भी बोल रहे हैं तो ऑस्ट्रेलियन former cricketers are like, how will he adjust to the bounce and he's not played in these conditions. So what do you think about this?
वो तो बेचारा वो कुछ तो उसके हाँ उसको तो वैसे तो आधा टीम ने कोई कंडीशन में नहीं खेला है, वो आधा टीम फर्स्ट क्लास क्रिकेट भी नहीं खेला बहुत लोगों ने, तो वो तो बहुत लोग के बारे में मेरे को
I
डाउट
think he can handle anything that he moves because he used to travel in Mumbai lately. So
Yeah.
he has enough experience
with height
of
and
things that move
नहीं but
viciously.
Dude, did you hear the story about his brother? That his brother had to sacrifice his cricket dreams because they are like, we had money for one meal. I'm like, boss, fuck, can you imagine? Like, and I mean, now first of all, we should also pull up his record and see how good he was actually. But still,
Now
I mean,
he's
what a
playing
great
well.
story,
He's-
dude.
He's, I think his brother is playing now.
Yeah, he scored his first, I think,
Yeah.
50 or something right now. But crazy story, bro. It's like, I mean, so from the background he's come that hunger is never going to go with him for at least the next 5-6 years. So 100% with you, Jaiswal like could be a killer. Yeah.
this series could do a lot of good to him अगर वो सीरियसली लेता है, अगर वो अगर वो
He's talking like an Indian father. Seriously.
Focus करके पढ़ाई कर
Proper,
बेटा.
social media.
अगर वो इंटेंट
मेरा मत
दिखाता
करना।
है, अगर वो इंटेंट दिखाता है या वो अपने फॉरेन फिरंग गर्लफ्रेंड से बात नहीं करता, वो फोन छीन लो उसका।
फॉरेन फिरंग गर्लफ्रेंड है क्या कोई उसका?
हाँ फिर नहीं था क्या, फॉरेन गर्लफ्रेंड है यार।
That's all Shetty is about.
Shit, he's very impressed. He's like, I average 65 in cricket. Who gives a shit? अरे foreign girlfriend लाए.
इंटरनेशनल गर्लफ्रेंड है उसका, इंटरनेशनल खिलाड़ी। He's learned nothing from Hardik.
He knows how to.
I don't know यार, अभी मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता है कि अभी कोई भी प्लेयर अभी किसी भी बाहर के देश के महिला को डेट करेगा, नेपाली हो वो नेपाली।
How do you prepare for foreign conditions?
Spat on your face.
तो लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं अभी
He's
जायसवाल
very committed. Okay, like needs to learn.
I'm just imagining him. Oh, some cricketer. Let's not say him. So there's a little bit of rough here.
I think it all depends on how Jaiswal performs in this series.
Yeah.
It will be a reflection of how he'll perform IHLs.
But I like your opinion also. तो चलो पहला टेस्ट बताओ कि क्या क्या होने वाला है. Do you think because lot of people, Brendan Julian has said कि India will lose in 4 days. What do you think? 4 दिन में हारेंगे कि जीतेंगे कि क्या?
They will lose what in 4 days?
The first test. First test in Perth only, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what do you think?
Australia bats first, puts on a score of 375, 380 odd. India goes in second. We get all out for 125 or something.
No, the beauty of that match will be if you wake up a little late, na, Australia will be batting first. Either way.
नहीं, ये तो फिर भी ठीक है, आई एम टेलिंग यू ना, ये तो फिर भी ठीक है। मेरा बचपन तो पूरा ट्रॉमेटिक था, जो अगर का डक आउट का हंस रहे हैं सारा चीफ सिलेक्टर। वापस से बोलो ये बचपन तो और ट्रॉमेटिक था मेरा कि
Oh, you want me to edit this part?
Extra वो किसी की.
बचपन और ट्रॉमेटिक था कि अरे लाइक ग्रोइंग अप कितना खराब खेलते थे हम लोग ऑस्ट्रेलिया में। मैं तो कभी कभी रोता था, मतलब बोले पापा क्या है ये कोई नहीं खेल रहा करके। अगर कर अपने चीफ सिलेक्टर, इतने बड़े चीफ सिलेक्टर है अपने,
इतने बड़े,
हाँ इतने रिस्पेक्टेड जो डक पे डक मारते थे, फिर एक इनिंग में 1 रन मारा तो वो दांत दिखा के हंस रहे हो, like
How is this better than what is that?
But I think Sherry, you should not worry. I think we'll get enough reasons to be nostalgic this time also.
नहीं इतना खराब
Only
नहीं हुआ।
90s kids will remember.
Yeah, but both of you think we are going to lose. मतलब पर्थ में हारे हैं मतलब 3-4
So
दिन.
yeah, now I would be very happy with the win.
Yeah.
But I think it's always fun to, not predict them winning.
Yeah.
And then win like, oh, they proved me wrong.
क्या कर लिया यार।
Because the entire team is like, Sridhar ने बोला है तो हम
करेंगे.
करेंगे,
Yeah.
करके दिखाएंगे.
So okay, just to let all the viewers know, we are trying to do podcasts for every test. We'll do this, and then we'll do one after the first test, then one after the second test, the third test, fourth test, fifth
I think
test.
there's like 1 month gap between every test. No?
Yeah, so we might do like a
Yeah.
couple of in the middle. So just keep tuning in and enjoying.
Follow यार, why are you not a
And
follow?
you know,
Yeah.
the schedule-
Subscribe.
Yeah,
There's so
to
much
play Hong
gap.
Kong cricket sixes. go play the tournament and come back.
I think that's how much time you need to go through the trauma of every test
We'll
match.
go back to London. Then come back. The fish and chips, yeah.
I think उस gap में ना we would have done one more series in South Africa.
yeah. Because South Africa is also complaining we only get 2 test series, so it's also we'll do a 2 test series. Okay, Shetty, where to find you? बता दो लोगों को कि shows में क्या क्या हो रहा है.
Outside the bar.
तो पीता भी नहीं gas problem happens. My Instagram account is Siddhi Shetty. I'm also going to put up a YouTube video very soon. I don't know how it is, but it will be good only.
Better than this podcast.
And I've got a couple of shows coming in. Again.
कब आ रहा है?
So solo show 24th November in Navi Mumbai, 1st December in Meena Road, and 22nd in Thane. Biggest show ever in Thane I am doing of mine only. And then 23rd I am coming to Hyderabad. Yeah, but Jan I'm coming to Bangalore. So मेरा link in bio.
Yeah,
I mean, this is longer than BGT.
yeah.
So Shetty's
What is your? Do you have any shows in Meera Road or any other parts?
I don't have such exotic plans. I have a few shows. 23rd November in Delhi, 24th November in Gurgaon, then 29th November in Bangalore.
Nice.
And you can find me on Instagram. It's @IamComic. Yeah, that's it.
I have no shows coming up. All I'm doing is this. I literally have nothing. Hire me for corporate shows. Hire all of us for corporate shows for different departments.
Please.
And if you enjoyed, do leave a comment and share with your friends and all that nonsense because YouTube algorithms are now being trained a lot by AI. So it's very hard to bloody get people to watch. And this is an experiment with the phones to try and reduce costs. If you enjoyed, let us know. Thanks a lot, Sridhar Venkatraman, Shruti Shetty.
BGT.
Drum roll,
BGT,
drum
India
roll.
going to lose Perth. Let's see if that happens. See you later.
भारत का विजय है.
चलो done.
ये ठीक था. गाली बहुत था क्या?
नहीं कहाँ